I practice meditation for relaxation. She designs clothes for a fashion brand. He goes for a jog in the park every morning. We celebrate special occasions with cake. They enjoy playing tennis on sunny days. The river meanders through the countryside. The waves gently lap against the shore. The plane lands safely at the airport. My parents take care of our family. The cat chases after a mouse. I watch a documentary about wildlife. She takes a pottery class on weekends. He fixes a leaky faucet in the kitchen sink. We go for a road trip to explore new places. They play volleyball on the beach. The moon illuminates the night sky. The stars form beautiful constellations. The computer runs smoothly without any issues. My friend shares her snacks with everyone. The baby takes his first steps. I check my social media accounts daily. She writes a diary to express her feelings. He rides his bike to work. We have a barbecue party in the backyard. They clean their room and organize their belongings. The river rushes down the steep waterfall. The waves crash against the rocks with force. The plane flies at a high altitude. My parents love each other deeply. The cat hunts for mice in the garden. I listen to music while studying. She practices her singing techniques. He works as a lawyer in a prestigious firm. We meet our friends for dinner every Friday. They enjoy watching movies at home. The sun sets behind the horizon. The birds build nests using twigs and feathers. The baby needs a nap in the afternoon. The teacher inspires her students to learn. My sister plays the piano beautifully. I go for a swim in the pool. She practices her golf swing at the driving range. He fixes a broken window in the house. We go camping in the woods. They play football in the park. The rain falls softly on the roof. The wind blows gently through the trees. The train arrives at the station on time. My brother plays the drums in a band. The children learn new things at school.